How much should you actually spend on a portable clothes closet? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Hi-C Double Rods Rack. First up is the Hi-C Double Rods Clothes Rack, priced at $37.99. This one caught my eye because of its sturdy double rod design and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable space for hanging clothes without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double rods provide flexibility for hanging various garments, from dresses to pants. With a load capacity of 210 pounds, 160 pounds on the hanging rods, and 50 lbs on the bottom shelf, it's built to handle your wardrobe. Plus, it comes with 360-degree swivel wheels, making it super easy to move, whether you're shifting it across a room or cleaning. And don't worry about the assembly. It's designed to be ready to use right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the stability when it's fully loaded. Here's the thing though, if you've got lighter clothes or are using it in a low-traffic area, you shouldn't run into issues. This is perfect for you if you need a temporary solution in a small apartment. But if you're looking for something to withstand heavy winter coats, you might want to consider alternatives. Now, if the weight capacity of the Hi-C bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sakugi Clothes Rack. Next, we have a Sakugi Clothes Rack priced at $49.97. What stood out to me was its clever design that includes shelves and hooks, making it a multi-functional wardrobe. If you want a closet that can adapt to your storage needs, check this out. The Sakugi Rack features a sturdy metal frame and mesh shelves, ensuring it won't buckle under the weight of your clothes. Measuring 33 by 12.2 by 79.5 inches, it's designed for optimal storage, holding everything from shoes to bags. The hassle-free installation means you get a detailed manual and video guide, which is great if you're not exactly a DIY expert. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 1,000 reviews, it seems to have made a lot of people happy. That said, a few users mentioned the shelves could be a bit flimsy when overloaded. Here's my take. If you stick to lighter items and avoid cramming it, you should be fine. This is perfect for anyone who wants a flexible storage option in a small space. But if you prefer a more traditional closet feel, this might not be the best fit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra stability. Product number 3, Lokim Wardrobe Closet. The Lokim Wardrobe Closet comes in at $47.99, and I was impressed by its solid construction, featuring a thick steel pipe and reinforced connectors. If you're tired of flimsy closets, this one delivers durability you can count on. Measuring 51.7 by 18.2 by 70.6 inches, it offers ample space with 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves, ideal for hanging clothes and storing folded items. The high-quality non-woven fabric cover protects your clothes from dust, which is a nice touch. Plus, it's easy to assemble with clear instructions, making it friendly for those who dread complex setups. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,700 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate its sturdiness. However, a few customers did mention the fabric cover could be challenging to zip up properly. But honestly, if you're careful during assembly and don't rush, you should be fine. This is perfect for anyone needing a reliable long-term storage solution. But if you want something more aesthetically pleasing, this design may not suit your taste. Now, if the fabric cover of the Lokim didn't convince you, let's talk about another Lokim option that might catch your eye. Product number 4, Lokim Portable Closet. Next up, another Lokim portable closet priced affordably at $31.49. Its size and strong structure caught my attention, especially if you need a straightforward and effective storage solution. If you want a closet that's easy to assemble and can hold a lot, keep watching. This one measures 52 by 17.9 by 66.9 inches and boasts 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves along with 4 side pockets for extra organization. The sturdy 16mm steel pipe frame ensures it can handle the weight without bending, which is a huge plus. And with easy assembly instructions, you won't need a degree in engineering to put together. Plus, it has a decent 4.1-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, showing it has satisfied many users. However, some reviewers noted that the fabric cover can sometimes slide down if not secured properly. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who prefers open storage and can manage the cover, it shouldn't be an issue for you. This is perfect for students or those living in tight spaces. But if you're looking for something more chic, this might not fit your style. Alright, that was a great option. But if the cover sliding is a concern, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5. Another Lokime wardrobe closet. Finally, we have another Lokime wardrobe closet, also at $47.99. With the same sturdy structure as its sibling, it offers a reliable option for those needing organized storage. If you want a closet that's built to last, you might want to check this out. This model has similar specifications, with 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves, providing ample space for your clothes and accessories. The reinforced connectors make assembly a breeze, and the high-quality non-woven fabric cover keeps your clothes dust-free. With the same 4.3-star rating as the previous Lokime, it shows consistency in quality. But as with the other Lokimes, some users mentioned assembly can be tricky if you lose a part. Here's my perspective. If you take your time, it's manageable. This is perfect for anyone who needs a straightforward closet solution without too much fuss. But if you're someone who needs a more decorative piece, this might not be the best pick for you. To wrap it up, we've seen the Heisei Double Rods Rack for its budget-friendly sturdiness, the Sakugi Clothes Rack for versatility, and the Lokime options for reliable durability. Each one has its strengths and potential drawbacks, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy organizing!